Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup of this device. So, to get started, when you boot up your device for the very first time, you'll be presented with a welcoming screen where you can choose your desired language for your device. I'll be sticking with English, which was already selected, but for other languages, just find them in the list and tap on them. From there we can select Get Started, and this will take us to some important information, which is I'm aware of the important information. That's a great way to describe legal documents. You can tap on it and actually see what you're agreeing to, which we have some warranty, and a bunch of stuff right here that you can just check out if you're actually interested in reading the actual legal documents that are associated with it. From there, you do need to check it that you have read and agreed to it, and then you can go to the next page, which allows us to connect to a mobile network by inserting a SIM card or using an eSIM if that is something that you are using instead. I'm not planning to do that, so I'm going to select skip right here, and I'll also be skipping connecting to Wi-Fi, which I can. Obviously, if you want, you can connect to your network either through SIM card or through Wi-Fi. And by doing so, you'll also have a Google login page show up throughout the setup and some software updates. But because I'm going to be skipping it, it gives me this info because I won't have any internet connection, so I won't be able to sign into Google account throughout the setup. I won't be able to restore the device because I won't be signing into Google. Also, some software updates and date and time won't be set automatically. Continue. Check the following. So I am aware of the content of end user license agreement. Probably should have been part of the important information. So we're going to select that, and that's the only thing that you need to select. Obviously, like before, you can tap on the blue text to read the end user license agreement, and from there you probably won't be seeing this page, the date and time, because I decided not to connect to Wi-Fi, so it's showing up. Next, we have some Google services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. You can tap on this drop-down arrow right here to read a little bit more about each function, and if you don't like them, you can turn them off. Next, we can select a screen lock for our device. By default, it will automatically give you a PIN, but you can change it to password or pattern if you want to. So let's say I'm going to select pattern. You can also skip it if you want it. Now, once you select some kind of screen lock, it will also ask you if you want to add a fingerprint to this, so you can unlock it with a fingerprint instead. And you can do so if you want to, or you can skip this if you don't want to add a fingerprint to your device. From there, we can continue, and we have our navigation. So we have two different ways of navigating to the device nowadays. We have the gesture and the 3-button navigation. I personally like the gestures, so that's what I'm going to select. Anything else? No. And we are done. So select finish. And here's our home screen. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.